Oxley's are an English company that was started in 1991, and we specialise in making the best all-weather furniture available. We make our furniture out of aluminium. It's all made to order for our customers. We have various designs, but it's all custom made for each individual customer. We describe our furniture as timelessly elegant, and so we're making a particular type of outdoor furniture for people with large houses that are not contemporary but more of 18th, 19th century properties. We send our furniture all around the world. Some of the most beautiful properties in the world have Oxley's furniture, and we're very proud of the fact that 80% of everything we make goes overseas. The inspiration for our furniture comes from trying to make items for outdoors which actually would look really good indoors. So we use furniture from all sorts of different periods of history. We've gone into partnership with Jab Fabrics from Germany, so we now have an enormous range of different fabrics that we can use, and adding those to the very many different colours that we can do the furniture in gives an enormous variety of choice. When the furniture has been finished and is packed up from the factory, it is then shipped anywhere around the world.